Good morning. Wherever you are right now, allow yourself to arrive fully to this moment. There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to become yet. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. And just take a slow breath in through the nose and an easy breath out through the mouth. Again, inhale, feeling the chest gently rise. And exhale, letting the shoulders drop. One more breath, deep, slow, intentionally in. And release. Begin to bring your attention into the body. Feel the weight of yourself where you're sitting or lying down. Notice the points of contact beneath you. The chair, the bed, the floor supporting you. Let gravity do the work. And just scan gently from the top of your head, down through your face, your jaw, let it loose, your neck. If you notice tension anywhere, you don't need to force it away. Simply acknowledge it and invite a little softness. Move awareness into the chest and the belly. Feel the natural rhythm of the breath. No need to control it now. With each exhale, imagine releasing yesterday. With each inhale, welcome a fresh start. With each exhale, imagine releasing yesterday. And with each inhale, welcome a fresh start. This is a new day. No matter what yesterday held, this moment is untouched. Notice the quality of the morning, the quiet, or the sounds around you, the feeling of beginning again. Thoughts may arise, plans, worries, memories, that's okay. Each time you notice the mind drifting, gently bring it back to the breath, back to the body, back to right now. Presence is enough. Now silently or out loud, allow these affirmations to land, not as demands, but as invitations. I welcome this new day with openness and calm. I am grounded, steady, and present. I trust myself to meet today with clarity and compassion. I do not need to rush. Everything unfolds in its own time. I choose peace over pressure. I am capable of responding, not reacting. My breath anchors me when things feel uncertain. I allow myself to move through today with ease. I am enough, exactly as I am in this moment. I greet today with gratitude and intention. Let these words settle naturally, like sunlight slowly filling a room. And bring to mind one simple intention for today. Not a to-do list, not a performance goal, just a way of being. Perhaps patience, presence, kindness, courage, or gentleness with yourself. And hold that intention lightly, like something you can return to throughout the day. Breathing it in and breathing it out. Begin to notice the body again, the subtle movements, the rhythm of breath. Wiggle the fingers and the toes if that feels good. Gently reawaken the senses. And when you're ready, just gently open your eyes. Carry this steadiness with you. You don't have to hold on to it tightly. It will return whenever you pause and breathe. May your day unfold with clarity, balance, and grace. And may you remember, you can always come back to this moment.